Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to hide any available Wi-Fi internet connection in Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, let me show you my available Wi-Fi internet connections. So I have two different Wi-Fi internet connections. So you can see one is written as home and one is written as TP-Link. So here I'm gonna hide this home Wi-Fi internet connections. So for this, what you need to do is just move your mouse cursor to the start menu icon, just click on it, and on the search box just search for one program name as command from. So you can see here, so below you can see here run as administrator, just click on it. So now on the command prompt, what you need to do is you need to type some commands. So just type net access, just type this command, hit space, wlan space, type 8 space, filter space, permission, put equal to symbol, type block space, type SSID, put equal sign again, and now put your username or the SSID of respective Wi-Fi. So in my case it's a home. I've already shown you earlier. So if you don't remember what is the name of the SSID, then just move back to the available network connection option and check out the name which you're gonna hide, and hit space, type network, type, put a equal symbol again, and type infrastructure. So once you type this command, net access wlan add filter permission equal to block and SSID, put your Wi-Fi SSID or the username which you want to hide, and the network type equal symbol infrastructure. So once you type this complete command, just hit enter, wait for a few seconds. So finally you can see a message, the filter is added on the system successfully. That means our Wi-Fi internet connections with the SSID or the username home is being hidden now. So let us move back to the available Wi-Fi network option. So you can see here the Wi-Fi internet connections with the name home is not showing up. So now if you want to unhide this Wi-Fi internet connection again, what you need to do is just type again net access space wlan space. Now just instead of add, just add your delete space filter space permission. Now put a equal symbol again, type block space SSID, put a equal symbol again, put the Wi-Fi SSID name, hit space, network type, put a equal symbol again and type the infrastructure. So it's almost the same command, just instead of this add you need to change this one to delete, and after typing this command just hit enter. So the filter is removed from the system successfully. Now let us move back to the network connection option. Now you can see the Wi-Fi internet connections with the SSID or the username home is being unhide again. So using this cool tricks, you can easily hide any available Wi-Fi internet connection in Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, please click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.